There are channels like this that are making almost $3,000 per month from the easiest YouTube videos you could ever make. In this video, I'm going to break down how you can create and upload hundreds of addictive YouTube shorts to start making money in the same viral niche, step by step. If you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to automate and run your YouTube channel, stay until the end of the video because I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts who give actionable advice for free. Step 1. Pick and research the niche. The niche that we're tapping into today is the quiz niche. People love quizzes. They're simple, quick, and keep the viewer hooked all the way to the end, especially if they're doing the quiz with somebody else. Within the quiz niche, you can pick a sub-niche based on what you're interested in or what you see is doing well. For example, you can make all your quizzes about geography, general knowledge, or movies. Have a look through different quiz pages on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts to get an idea of which sub-niche you want to specialize in. Once you've decided on that, it's time for the next step where we're going to use AI to bulk generate hundreds of quiz questions. Step 2. Generate your quiz questions. For this step, we're going to use ChatGPT. If you're using the free version, it will work perfectly for what we're doing today. But if you want to make a lot of content fast, you can get ChatGPT Plus, which processes larger sets of data more efficiently. Once you're in ChatGPT, we're going to ask it to create some quiz questions. The key here is to get the format right, so ChatGPT knows exactly what you want. For the sake of this tutorial, let's say our niche is general knowledge quizzes. You'll want to type out a prompt like this. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will generate all your quiz questions for you. Within a few seconds, you should have 50 quiz questions ready to go. You can repeat this process to generate a bank of different questions, or you can adjust the prompt to make it as specific as you need. For example, you might generate 10 questions for a specific quiz about capital cities, and then another 10 questions for a quiz about car models. Once you have your set of questions, just highlight the table and copy and paste it into a Google Sheet. Now, click on File, Download, then pick the CSV option. Download and save this file for later. Step 3. Create your video template. For this, we're going to use Canva. This is one of the most beginner-friendly design tools that can also edit YouTube videos. Canva has a feature called Bulk Create, which is perfect for what we're doing today. This feature lets you take the data from your spreadsheet, those quiz questions you just created, and automatically insert them into video templates. Start by creating an account on Canva if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, type YouTube Shorts into the search bar and click on this. You'll see a variety of pre-made templates, but for now, select Create Blank. This will open up a vertical video canvas that's the perfect size for shorts. It'll start off as a blank page, but don't worry. This is where we'll build your video, piece by piece. First, you need a background for your video. Look for something simple but still interesting. On the left-hand side of the screen, click on Elements and search for Motion Backgrounds. Motion adds a subtle sense of energy without being too distracting. Browse through the options and pick one that feels vibrant but not overwhelming. Once you settle on a background, drag it onto your canvas, making sure it covers the entire area. Next, add the text that will display your quiz question. On the left-hand toolbar, click Text and add a header. Type in a placeholder, like your quiz question here, so you'll know where the question will go when the spreadsheet data gets connected. Adjust the size of the text so it's large and easy to read. Remember, people will watch this on small screens. Also, expand the purple text box boundaries to the edges of the canvas so any longer questions will still fit neatly. To make your text visually pop, create a background for it. Go back to the Elements tab, search for a square or rectangle, and pick a shape with rounded edges for a polished look. Resize it so it fits behind the text, and then change its color to a gradient. Gradients add depth to your design, making it look a bit more dynamic without going overboard. Now, we need to add the answer options. Just like before, go to Text and add 3 more text boxes. one for each answer option. Make sure they're evenly spaced and easy to read. You can even add small numbers next to each answer option to make it clearer that the viewer has 3 choices. After you've added the text, group the text and background elements together. This will make things easier for the next step. To add a sense of urgency and keep viewers engaged, include a countdown timer. Go back to Elements and search for Timer or Countdown. Choose one that suits your design and place it somewhere easy to find, like the middle or the top of the canvas. Set it to a duration of 5 to 10 seconds, long enough for viewers to think about their answer, but short enough to keep the video snappy and fast-paced. Finally, add animations to give your video some extra energy. Click on your quiz question text, and at the top, you'll see an animate option. Pick an animation effect, like pop, to bring your text onto the screen in a fun but subtle way. Do the same for your answer options and the timer to keep the visuals engaging without overwhelming the viewer. Step 4. Bulk create from your template. Now that your design is ready, it's time to create the quiz videos using Canva's bulk create feature. This tool lets you automatically generate hundreds of videos in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you've saved your design as a template, because this will be used for all your quiz videos. Then, open the toolbar on the left side of Canva and scroll down until you see Apps. From there, search for Bulk Create and select it. Next, choose the Upload CSV option. This is where you'll upload the spreadsheet with all the quiz questions and answers you put together earlier. Once your CSV file is uploaded, you'll need to connect the data from your spreadsheet to your video design. Start by finding the quiz question text in your template, right-clicking on it, and selecting Connect Data. A menu will pop up where you can choose the column in your spreadsheet that holds the quiz questions. Repeat this process with the answer options, linking each one to the correct text box in your design. After everything is matched up, click Continue, and Canva will start generating your videos. Once the videos are ready, you can preview them to make sure everything looks right before downloading. Canva lets you export them as MP4 files, the recommended format for YouTube Shorts. All the videos will be zipped into a single file so you can download them more easily. And just like that, you've created dozens, maybe even hundreds, of quiz-based YouTube Shorts in a matter of minutes. This is a super fast and efficient way to produce engaging content without doing everything manually. Step 5. Upload your quiz videos. For each video that you upload, make sure to add an engaging title, a description, and hashtags that include relevant keywords like quiz, trivia, and general knowledge. Stay consistent and see which types of quizzes do better than others so you can focus on what works. Eventually, you'll be able to monetize your shorts after you've joined the YouTube Partner Program. But even before then, you can start making money with affiliate marketing. For example, if you're making geography quizzes, you could link to educational products on Amazon in your description and pinned comments. If you have any questions about YouTube automation, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And, again, it's totally free. So come hang out with us there. What types of quizzes would you make videos on? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.